Claude AI versus $100 Fiverr FiveM developer. Which is better? Now, if you run a FiveM server and you need custom scripts, that is a unique job system, a custom HUD, a special vehicle mechanic, a heist system. You pretty much have two main options in today's world. You can either hire a full-fledged developer on Fiverr, or competent FiveM Lua developers typically charge between $50 and $200 for custom scripts, or you can use Claude AI to write the scripts yourself, even if you have limited coding experience. Now, this video pretty much answers the question honestly. For FiveM script development specifically, when does Claude produce results that are genuinely comparable to or better than $100 Fiverr developer, and when does a human developer remain the right choice? Now, FiveM uses Lua as its primary scripting language that you can actually go ahead and find over here. And Lua is not only used in FiveM, but a lot of different types of gaming regimens, okay? And as you can see, it's a whole script generator. Now, with server-side and client-side scripts that interact with GTA 5's game mechanics through FiveM's native API, a typical FiveM script is going to involve the server-side logic for database, interactions, permission, and persistent state management, client-side code for HUD elements, player controls, and local game interactions, and a shared file for constants and common functions used by both. Now, for Claude to write FiveM scripts effectively, it needs good Lua knowledge, which it has. It also needs familiarity with FiveM's native API, which it has established, and sufficient context about what you're trying to build, which you need to provide. Now, the limitation is FiveM specific features added after Claude's training cutoff and highly specialized interactions with custom frameworks like ESX or QB Core that have evolved significantly. Now, firstly, you have a simple job system. Okay, so what you can do is ask Claude to write a basic job system with job selection via a menu, job specific vehicles, and basic wage payment on timer. So you can simply write, I want you to write a Lua code for FiveM. What I want is a script for a basic job system. Let's say I want job selection via menu, job specific vehicles, basic wage payment on time. Now, the output is going to be a complete functional script that works without any significant modifications. Time for prompt to working script is about 20 minutes, including testing, and a $100 Fiverr developer would likely deliver something similar, but potentially more polished and with ESX QB Core integration built in. And for a simple job system, I'd say Claude sure gives competition. Now, you can actually go ahead and find a FiveM or Lua developer on your Fiverrs. And as you can see, I can create professional ESX FiveM server with premium scripts. And the prices are kind of out of this world. You know, these are pretty expensive things. Like this right here, this is rounding you up to $30 to $40. That's even higher. That's around, you could say, well, around $40 to $50, or even 60 and 70, 80, and so on. Now, you can also, after you've created your simple job cut, as you can see, Claude actually goes ahead and starts coding it. You can create much more as well. So what you can do is you can create a custom HUD. So you can ask Claude to write a custom HUD displaying health, armor, stamina, and stress meter in a visual layout. Now, I've already done that, and the output was functional and the layout was correct, but the visual styling required significant CSS adjustments to match the design that I described. Now, the gap between Claude's output and a designer developer's output was more visible here. For custom HUD specifically, a skilled Fiverr developer who understands the game's UI design would be much more action-packed and better for delivery. High systems with multiple stages. This is where comparison becomes most interesting because Claude produced the scripting logic for a multi-stage heist, approach phase, breach, vault interaction, escape, with police NPC dispatch, cooldown systems, and even reward scaling. The logic was pretty well structured and mostly functional, but required debugging around specific GTA native function calls and needed adaptation for my server's framework. Now, $100 Fiverr developer with FiveM experience would likely have delivered this more quickly with fewer framework-specific issues. Now, Claude is clearly better than a $100 Fiverr developer for understanding and debugging existing scripts. And you can paste a script that is not working and Claude will identify the problem reliably, iterating quickly on working scripts. Claude is going to go ahead and add features and modifications to the working code. Okay. So it's kind of a developer turnaround. So you can also learn as you go. Claude explains what the code does, helping you understand the scripts rather than just having them, and simple to moderate complexity scripts where the FiveM native API calls are quite well established. Now, a good Fiverr FiveM developer wins for the ESX and QB Core framework integration that is deeply current. Experienced FiveM developers know the current framework versions, the common conflicts, and the established patterns in a way that Claude's training data doesn't fully capture. Visual design for HUDs and menus. Developers who specialize in FiveM UI have portfolio examples and design instincts that produce better looking interfaces, complex systems with many interacting parts, large systems that require coordinating across many files with proper state management, and a whole lot more. Now, the most efficient approach for most FiveM server owners in 2026 is quite hybrid. You can use Claude for the parts it handles well and hire a developer for the parts it doesn't. Claude for debugging existing scripts and writing new utility scripts and systems. Hire for complex systems that require a deep framework knowledge. And for any user interface work requiring visual design skill, and for large systems where architecture and experience matters, Fiverr is much better. Now, Claude AI versus a $100 FiveM developer isn't a winner in either direction. It's a question of what you're building. And for simple to moderate scripts, you have Claude. But for complex systems and deep language learning, you have a FiveM developer. So the optimal strategy is using Claude first for a new script and Fiverr for a better output. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.